the police to please join on stage. It's going to be an absolute pleasure to have them. Welcome to Week of Felicitation Program. One by one, I'm going to be calling the names, and they're going to be receiving a certificate, none other than by Shri Anjani Kumar, IPS Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad City. Tanish, Nevesidin, Zoya, I request the kids to please be around. We're going to be taking a group picture. So all the kids are requested to please be around and join in after the certificate distribution. Are going to be releasing a... Everybody come on, count along. 3, 2, 1. Happy Children's Day, everybody! Release it, everybody. Joining on stage, can I request you all to please move out of the stage? Please, everybody, please join in with your parents. Now here we are presenting a memento to Team Namdhari from the Commissioner of Police who have executed and organized this event. So we're going to be presenting a memento to Namdhari teams. Forward.
City Security Council, led by Secretary General Avinash and ably supported by the entire team, Piyush, Anandita, Rajshekhar, and all the team members. My colleague officers, Additional CP Law and Order Chauhan, DCP Traffic Chauhan, Vasundhara Madam, and all the dignitaries here. Nothing could have been a better day than to select Children's Day for this function when on that beautiful tank bund we are having Sunday fun day, and at the same time, along with the entertainment and masti, some important message. Message not only to the children, but message to the parents. Message to everyone that fun and masti is absolutely fine, but not at the cost of life. Not that at the cost of injury. And that is why when we have to take the city of Hyderabad to the next level of safety, security, and happiness, then we have to ensure that the new generation is better than us, that the new generation follows more rules and regulations than what we do. The artist of Nizam College, the way they performed and conveyed the very strong message that how it is important to follow traffic rule. I am sure if we are able to convey this message strongly, the purpose of this program is served. Before taking much of the time, I would greet each one of you, particularly the children. Happy Children's Day. Enjoy your life, have fun, and be safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hearty congratulations to Hyderabad City Security Council and to the City Police for this wonderful initiative. Please support the City Police in ensuring that the traffic rules are followed properly. It is in our interest. It is in the interest of our family. Let us help them. Let us join them in this initiative. A very happy Children's Day to all of you.
Famous tank bund చిల్డ్రన్ డే ఉపలక్షలో ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ జరిగింది. ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో అవేర్నెస్ ఫర్ ట్రాఫిక్ రూల్స్, రోడ్ సేఫ్టీ గురించి నిజాం కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ద్వారా ఒక స్కిట్, ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా పర్ఫామ్ చేశారు అందరూ. మన హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ పోలీస్ తరఫు నుంచి ట్రాఫిక్ ఫరిష్తే దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఈరోజు 200 పైన ట్రాఫిక్ ఫరిష్తే కూడా వచ్చారు. అండ్ రివార్డ్ అండ్ రికగ్నిషన్ టు మోర్ దెన్ 50 చిల్డ్రన్ టు క్రియేట్ అవేర్నెస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అమంగ్ ద చిల్డ్రన్. ఈ సందర్భంలో హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ సెక్యూరిటీ కౌన్సిల్కి కొత్త సెక్రటరీ జనరల్ అవినాష్ గారు, తర్వాత ప్రత్యూష్ గారు, అనందిత గారు, రాజశేఖర్ గారు, గీతా గారు, అడిషనల్ సిపి ఇన్ఛార్జ్ ట్రాఫిక్ చౌహాన్ గారు, డీసీపీ కరుణాకర్ గారు, డీసీపీ చౌహాన్ గారు.
Alright everybody, thank you so much for joining in for the day. We also have stalls around you, so please enjoy on this day.
ఒక మంచి మెసేజ్
Yeah, we are having...
థాంక్యూ.
Alright.